everybody and welcome to my channel. So these are the pants from ThredUp, those blue ones that I got. Yeah, these are them. Look how good they look. Hey, sorry, this is not about ThredUp, but I had to share these. They are buttery soft. I love them. Not sure what brand they're from. They have a G on them. So if you know, leave it down below. Let me show you what the G looks like. It's just a G right here. So if you know what that is, leave that down below. I'd love to get a couple more pairs of these. I have a Sam's Club order. Last time I opened one, I'll be honest with you, I didn't open it up with y'all. I opened it up and I got the wrong size. I was like, oh man, got the wrong size. No big deal, I'll just return it. So I went on to my Sam's Club and let me just go ahead and start opening this. And I was looking and I was like, uh-oh. I made a big mistake. Like a huge mistake. What I did, I didn't order one size bigger. Ordered two sizes bigger than what I wanted. So usually it's a large, and if I want it oversized, I get an extra large. Yeah, me 2X. So with that, I was able to keep the last one. Well, they sent me another one and it wasn't what it was supposed to be. The box was open, so I couldn't do an unboxing at all because the box was completely open. I called Sam's Club and told them they sent me the wrong item. They fixed it. So what they did is they let me have those pants that they sent me for free. Kudos to them, great customer service. And this is also courteous of them. I'm supposed to send all these back. They said don't worry about it. So okay, don't worry about it. They said to donate it or give it to somebody. I'll probably give it to a family member. So it's just a scenic sweater. This one says it's a 1X, not a 2X. It says 1X. So I'm just gonna try it on. This is the one I want. They gave me this one for free anyway. So I'm just gonna try it on. Because it said 2X on the thing. Let me show you this one. It's gonna be Bambi. Super cute. It's got that kind of fleece lining material on the inside. Okay. This is weird because this is just a tad. So my hand is here, this is the bottom. Just a tad bigger. I can move the collar up if I want to. And I love that this is embroidered. However you say that word. It's cute. I love this one. Now let me tell you the other part of the story. Tomorrow, I'm going to do another unboxing. Some extra large. The same ones. Plus the one that I was supposed to get yesterday. They came in as pants. So there is that one. Okay, then I have a Winnie the Pooh one. Try this. Just go ahead and try it on. See if all of them are 1X. This is 1X. Not extra large, not 2X. This is like plus size 1. So this one is a tad bit bigger than the other one. When, like, I can't fold it up because it has the thing on the bottom, but still kind of fits me. It actually fits me a little bit, so my hand is here now. Actually fits me better than the other one, just not lengthwise. Which I am 5 foot, so sometimes it's a little difficult because I am a regular slash plus size. I can wear regular sizes or I can go into the plus size at this moment, and I am not trying to go past that. Alright, now this one is Stitch. So you got Stitch here. So what my plan was to give this to a family member. They fit me. I have an extra large coming. Are they gonna fit me? Or am I gonna have to send them back? We'll see tomorrow. Oh, this looks cute, I think, with these pants. Let me stand up and move the camera back so I can kind of get a gist. That's really cute. You can kind of see where it's hitting me. And then this one, I have no extra room really. Okay, one more. Got one more. So that one was Stitch. Got Mickey and Minnie. All right. Let me show it to you first, sorry. There it is. This is crazy. It's just a little bit longer. My fingers are, or my hand is here. It's by the sleeve. I have the front sleeve. So this is, move back a little. Should have did this with the other first two, but I did not. So that is what that one looks like. I think this one also kind of looks really good with these pants. Anyway, I may have doubles in shirts. I may have an extra large. I may have 1X. But I really like these. So, no big deal. It's all good. These were supposed to be a 2X. And they did come in as a 1X. So, they didn't come in the right size. Hope the other ones come in as an extra large. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye, and we'll see you in the next one. Also, there should be a video before this coming out. I bought a comfort hoodie. Check out that video. I bought it off of TikTok shop, and now I have a link for that. I am also gonna upload a ThredUp video. It's been a hot minute since I did a thread up. I looked and I think it's been 2023. That time I was married. But that was the beginning of my marriage. I think we were together for 3 years. Now we're together for 7 years. Anyway, check out those 2 videos. Give me some likes. Comment down below which one of these you would like. Which one of these you like. This is not a giveaway. Which one of these you like. Personal choice. The one I love the most, which for people that really know me in real life, this is no surprise. It's the Bambi one with Thumper. Oh, so cute. So stinking cute. Alright, thanks for watching.